Tesla's latest FSD version rolls out with holiday update. Tesla started rolling out its highly anticipated holiday update over the weekend, along with its latest version of the Supervised Full Self-Driving FSD. On Saturday evening, users began reporting that Tesla's software update version, 2024.45.25.5, had started rolling out, and it's expected to make its way to those with FSD supervised first, before rolling out more widely throughout this week. The update also includes FSD Supervised v13.2.2 for those with Tesla's AI4 computer, while those with AI3 HW3 are expected to receive a much updated FSD Supervised v12.6 before the end of the year. According to a statement last week from Vice President of AI Ashok Elaswamy, you can see a couple of early experiences with Tesla's FSD v13.2.2 below, courtesy of Whole Mars Catalog and Chuck Cook. Tesla posts a large holiday update every year, typically featuring a combination of improvements and fun features that are either holiday-themed or just plain funny. This year's Tesla holiday update is no different, bringing with it a handful of features, both with improvements and with items that are simply fun. For example, Tesla has added the Cybertruck Santa mode for those with the unique electric pickup, letting you change your in-vehicle avatar to Santa's sleigh, complete with reindeer, elves, and other decorations. The update has also added custom Cybertruck avatar wraps, which are also expected to roll out to the rest of Tesla's lineup down the road. It also offers the ability to use the rear screen on vehicles that have it to play arcade games, even while driving. Other features geared toward functionality include the addition of a Tesla Apple Watch app, the ability to set a preferred battery charge level for arrival, the ability to search along a navigation route and receive estimated detour times, precipitation map and destination weather, and a handful of other useful features. Other updates launched with a massive suite of features include the Fart on Contact setting, tune-in radio and SiriusXM streaming, alerts to rear cross traffic, the ability to save dashcam and Sentry mode clips to your phone, light show scheduling, and still other features. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.